Hi everyone, in this video I want to one more time present my tools. This is concrete leveling tripods and why I really like these tools and offer it to you. Use it because this tool make your job more easy. Here it was old floor, laminate flooring. It was floated, and guys who did this floor before installation did leveling by spots. You see what you so but look, this is the middle, it's around 3/4, and I just took the highest spot in this area and set up whole tripods. You see how much big difference, some quarter, some 0, some 3/4 inch, and then I take self-leveling compound, and for 200 square feet I spent 10 bucks. It's not much, but when you will see result you can say yes, it's reasonable to do it and leveling, because if it's not good leveling, when you install laminate floor or you install vinyl floor, what I did after I finished this leveling. So if you don't have good leveling, all locks will be broken very soon, and your floor can make sound. Previous leveling was made by the ice, so never believe ice. So that's why on the middle was lower, on some side it was lower, some side it was higher, and maybe when you have a look on this floor you think okay, it's fine, but when you check it, it's not good. So when I showed the owner that lower spot on the middle, he said yes, when it was water over the floor, and all water was collected in this place. I said no, because this place is very low. So when I install tripods, I don't have to think is it level or not level. When you put laser show you exactly a level of this floor. You just install bottom plate on this tripods exactly on that laser line, and then mix the self-leveling compound and pour it by this bottom plate. Very easy. So when you did it, then remove all tripods, use roller to spread this self-leveling compound nice, and that's it. Next day your concrete subfloor will be dry, solid, and you can check it with straight edge and be wondering how you good and professional with leveling, concrete leveling. Everything ingenious is simple. You see, just take the roller, roll it out. You see how it's nice. If no reflection, it means floor is really nice level. Remember, when you going to level wood or concrete subfloor, don't forget put primer. Primer very needed because it helps for better bonding self-leveling compound with subfloor. So if you're not putting, make sure, it's gonna be big mistake for you, and self-leveling compound cannot stick. Here, as you can see, result. It's very nice and looks very good. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.